Before the factories, before the production lines, before the name Kantanka echoes across Ghana, there is only a small workshop, steel, tools, fire, and a vision. No imported parts, no ready-made body, just raw metal, waiting to become something great. The cutting begins. Sheets of steel are measured, marked, sliced. Hammer meets metal. Hands shape what does not yet exist. Piece by piece, the skeleton of a car rises, not assembled, built. A chassis is welded together. Panels are formed by hand. Every curve, every edge, crafted with patience and belief. What others import, these men create. Day and night, the workshop stays alive. Grinding, welding, fitting, building. Sweat drips, time passes. Slowly, something powerful appears. A full car body stands where there was once only metal sheets. But a body without a heart cannot move, so they attempt the impossible again. They build the engine from scratch. Metal blocks are shaped. Parts are machined carefully. Pistons fitted one by one. Bolts tightened by hand. Every component measured. Every piece earned. Nothing is bought. Nothing is shipped in. Everything is engineered right here in Ghana. The engine is ready. Heavy, solid, alive with possibility. Carefully, they lift it. Slowly, they lower it into the car. Everyone watches. The moment of truth arrives. The key turns. Life. The engine roars. Loud, raw, proud. The wheels begin to roll. Slowly at first, carefully, then stronger, then smoother. The car moves out of the workshop, into the sunlight, onto the open road. Dust rises behind it. A vehicle built completely by Ghanaian hands drives forward, not imported, not assembled, built. From metal to motor to motion. This is modern engineering. This is courage. This is vision. This is proof that Africa can create, not just consume. Proof that the impossible is only a word. In this very moment, Kantanka doesn't just build a car, he makes history. The first one, built from scratch, designed in Ghana, made in Ghana, driven with pride. And from this small workshop, a legacy begins.